In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital patterns on Etsy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare your files, set up a polished listing, and publish it so customers can download your patterns instantly. Start by preparing your digital patterns. Export them in the formats your buyers expect, like PDF, PNG, or SVG, and use clear file names so customers can tell what's what. If you have multiple files or large downloads, zip them into one compressed folder to keep things tidy. Another option is to include a single PDF that contains a link to a cloud folder, such as a Google Drive folder, with view-only access. Whatever you choose, test the download yourself to make sure everything opens correctly. Open your browser and search for Etsy. Click the official Etsy link to go to the site, then log into your shop account. Once you're in, go to your account and select Account Settings. From the left sidebar, choose Listings. Then, in the top right corner, click the button to add a listing. Start with a strong, descriptive title that clearly explains what the pattern is and who it's for. Think about the terms your ideal customer would type when searching and place the most important words near the beginning while keeping the title easy to read. Next, upload photos or mock-ups that show how the finished item will look when someone uses your pattern. Use clear, high-resolution images and include multiple angles or pages if relevant. If needed, lightly watermark your preview images to protect your work while still giving customers a good view. Upload your digital files and write a clear, thorough description. Explain what's included, the file formats, dimensions or sizes, skill level, and any software or tools needed to use the pattern. If you're delivering a zip or a PDF with a link, tell buyers exactly how to access it. You can also outline personal use terms or licensing details so expectations are clear. Set your price and inventory. For digital items, the quantity can typically be set high since they're downloadable. Add variations if you offer multiple sizes or formats. Fill in details like category, tags, and materials to help with search. For processing and shipping, make sure the item is set as a digital product so buyers aren't charged physical shipping and receive an automatic download after purchase. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your digital pattern is now live and ready for customers to find, buy, and download instantly.